your two children will think, what's he doing tonight? He's gone crazy. One suggestion I would make to you for this part, as you see, all 6 strings are swinging.
Mm-hmm.
But if just for a short time at the beginning, if you put the thing. This way you develop more strength in the fingers.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice to do this, and as I say, it's not that this is bad, but there are certain things that you will in the future need to do with fingers, and you can't have the hand moving.
Mm-hmm.
So this is like going to the gym and doing strengthening exercises. taking that away, the hand has understood. Yeah. Takes a little time that it becomes automatic and you don't need to think. You have it good now, maybe tonight you'll have to, what was that? But each time you'll remember it more easily. Great, so look, then take that home. Your two children will think, what's he doing tonight? He's gone crazy. I say, this is something you can learn, you see, you can learn it in a week. And the other studies we do will it's to develop them over a few months to have and to understand all these little details. Great stuff, Jakob.